Welcome to Raw Escapades. I am Stasia Alicia and I'm with my fruit hunting partner in crime, Kadeen. In today's episode, we feature the Aunty Desma. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yes, you know where you see it there?
No, what you mean? Over there somebody sees it. Yes, girl.
We're gonna pick them and we're gonna try them, but
Oh, wait.
they don't look like ready to me. So
See, lift up that leaf. See it there?
you just have to.
Lift up this leaf.
No,
Yeah.
there's a purple one right under there. Right there. Let me show you.
Don't eat them before you have a good picture.
See it there? Lift up the leaf right there. Yeah. And then yeah.
So actually we get one each to try.
Alright, what this name?
Aunty Daisy.
So
Aunty Desma.
Aunty Desma.
I see some more.
Me
What if a purple
no
one over
say
there?
only never hear about Aunty
Really?
Desma
Yeah.
fruit yet.
What if
Sure
underneath
about
there's
that.
a- Aunty Desma.
So we bringing you the exotic fruits that you never hear about yet. I'm sure say you never hear about Aunty Desma.
And
yet.
guess where we at?
Jamaica. Alright, so this is the Aunty Desma. Kadeen was saying that it looked like coffee beans.
Yes, when it's unripe.
when it's unripe.
Yes,
yeah.
so it turns from green to red, bright red, and then
A dark
a dark purple.
when
So-
mature. Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. That tastes like leaf.
Like tree of life. You know when you want to get tree of life to chew up? You ever get tree of life? Like when kids have cold. My mother used to give us that too. To chew up. It tastes medicinal.
Yeah, it tastes like good way to put it.
This tastes medicinal.
Yeah, it tastes medicinal.
Hmm.
Like a leaf.
Like leaf of life. Or life of leaf. What do you say? Leaf of life? Leaf of life. Yeah.
Man. And this is what the seed looks like. I don't want it to drop.
Mm-hmm.
Small, like the fruit.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. So now listen up for the fruit facts on the Aunty
Desma. Aunty Desma. Yeah.
Aunty Desma.
The scientific name for the Aunty Desma is Aunty Desma buneus. They are also known as buah buni or boni in Indonesia and as Bignay in the Philippines. In English, they may be referred to as Chinese laurel fruit. This tiny, rich purple wildberry was originally discovered in Southeast Asia and Australia. They are most commonly found growing wild in warm, humid parts of Indonesia and the Philippines. They are also found in parts of China, India, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam, and Malaysia, as well as in northern Australia. The fruit has a thin but tough outer skin, which is yellow-green when unripe. As the fruit matures, it turns red, then an attractive bluish-violet color. They occur plentifully in pendant-shaped bunches like grapes. Each berry ripens at a different time, making for spectacularly colored clusters of fruit. When cut open, the inner flesh is pale. However, it leaves a purple stain on skin and fabric. The fruit can be acidic and tart like a cranberry. When fully ripe, it is sweet. Each Aunty Desma contains a single straw-colored, flat, hard seed. The Aunty Desma may be eaten raw. They may also be used in jams and juices and are used to make wines and liqueurs. In Indonesia, they are used to make a sour sauce for fish dishes. The Aunty Desma is said to be high in antioxidants, which gives the fruit its purplish color. Studies have shown that the Aunty Desma fruit may have a positive impact on blood glucose levels and may possess anti-diabetic activities. In traditional medicine practices in Indonesia and the Philippines, the Aunty Desma fruits have been used to treat anemia and heart disorders. In India, the leaves have been used to treat snake bites. So we've come to the end of another raw escapades.
We're going raw. Hey, we're going raw. Hey, we're going raw. We're going raw. We're going raw.
Comment.
We're going raw.
Like.
We're going raw. We're going raw. We're going raw.